Probably just goes down to experience. You know, probably 10 years ago, you might have had an Armagh team, more specifically players, you know, maybe looking beyond. A game with Donegal, these two guys in charge, like Jim's going for 3 in a row. What did you report last week? It's only 3 teams ever done it.
That's since the war, since World War II. You know?
So this, we know how much Jim appreciates and rates the Ulster Championship, and now he's going for 3 in a row. There's not a chance them Donegal players have seen a clip of Armagh since they met, you know, in the league. It's just too important to them. Same with Geezer. You know, it wasn't too long ago Armagh went to Brewster and got turned over. So there's a lot. There's 9 or 10 players still involved with Armagh. There's none left for Mana, and I know that them players you don't forget days they got. So look, we're trying to build the Ulster Championship up, but I don't see any maybe upsets coming this weekend.
Yeah.
You know, obviously Odhran Murdock's a massive player for Down. He didn't have a shot until the 61st minute last year. He only had 2 in total. One was off his right foot. And Donegal kind of actually broke their own zonal system last year to just have Michael Langan tag him. Just Michael Langan just went everywhere after him. Just had no interest in the ball for 70 minutes and just dogged Odhran Murdock. And you maybe know this should be better, but I'm looking at Murdock now. So if he gets the same treatment again this weekend, I would like him to engage more physically. I thought he almost allowed Langan to tag him in the sense of, you know, just standing off and trying to time a run, as opposed to nearly over engaging Langan and making the referee see it and testing Langan a wee bit and almost making him foul you or making him put hands on you, and then you can say to the linesman, this man, and then he's on a booking. And you know, I would want a wee bit more from Murdock in that regard.